How to make homemade Black Forest Gateau chocolate cake. Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're going to show you how to make a mouth-watering homemade Black Forest Gateau chocolate cake. This classic dessert is a true indulgence, and we'll walk you through all the steps to make it right in your own kitchen. Here's what you'll need for the chocolate cake. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 2 cups granulated sugar. 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 1½ teaspoon baking powder. 1½ teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 large eggs. 1 cup buttermilk. ½ cup vegetable oil. 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract. 1 cup boiling water. For the filling and topping, 2 cups heavy cream. ½ cup powdered sugar. 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract. 1 jar, 24 ounces, of sour cherries, drained. 1/4 cup kirsch, cherry brandy, optional. Chocolate shavings or curls for decoration. Let's get started with the cake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. In a large mixing bowl, sift together the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Add the eggs, buttermilk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract to the dry ingredients. Mix until well combined. Gradually add the boiling water while stirring. The batter will be thin, but don't worry, this is what gives the cake its moist texture. Pour the batter evenly into the prepared pans. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cakes comes out clean. Remove the cakes from the oven and let them cool in the pans for about 10 minutes. Whipped cream and assembly. While the cakes are cooling, let's prepare the whipped cream and assemble the cake. In a chilled mixing bowl, whip the heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract until stiff peaks form. Be careful not to overmix, you want a smooth, creamy texture. If you'd like to add a touch of cherry brandy flavor, you can brush the cooled cake layers with kirsch at this point. Place one of the cooled cake layers on a serving plate or cake stand. Spread a layer of whipped cream on top. Add a layer of drained sour cherries on top of the whipped cream. Place the second cake layer on top and cover the entire cake with the remaining whipped cream. Decorate your Black Forest Gateau with chocolate shavings or curls. You can create these by running a chocolate bar along the edge of a warm knife. For the finishing touch, garnish with a few more cherries on top. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. And there you have it, folks, a homemade Black Forest Gateau chocolate cake that's sure to impress your friends and family. Remember, the key to success with this cake is patience and precision. Don't rush it, and you'll be rewarded with a delightful dessert. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. And as always, let us know in the comments what you'd like to see us cook next. Thanks for watching, and happy baking! Thank you very much.